待つということについて最近よく考える。音楽を待つ時間というのは不思議なものだ。何も手元にないのに期待だけがどこかで静かに育っていく。藤井風の次の曲を待っているファンたちの間にも今そういう空気が流れている気がする。直近の公式な動きを整理すると、彼は2023年にラブオールサーブオールのワールドツアーを経験し、国内外で大きな注目を集めた。その後も単発でのリリースや映像作品への楽曲提供など、活動の幅を静かに広げてきた。ただ、フルアルバムという形での新作については、ファンの間で長らく話題になっているものの、公式からの明確な発表はまだない。こういう沈黙の時間を藤井風はうまく使う人だと思う。積極的に情報を出さないことで、かえって何かへの期待が高まっていく。計算なのか、それとも本当にそういうペースで生きているのか。両方かもしれない。SNS 上では、ファンたちが彼のわずかな発信を丁寧に読み解こうとしている。インスタグラムの投稿の色合い、キャプションの一言、ライブ後のコメント。そこから何かをつかもうとする。その熱量がすごいと思うのと同時に、どこか微笑みましい。アーティストとファンの間に言葉にならない会話が続いているような感じ。個人的に気になるのは、次の作品が彼自身にとってどんな意味を持つものになるのかという部分だ。ワールドツアーを経て世界との距離感が変わった後でどんな言葉を選ぶのか、どんな音を鳴らすのか。音楽というのはその人がどこに立っているかを映すものだと思う。だとすれば次の藤井風の作品は今の彼がどこにいるかを教えてくれるはずだ。それが楽しみで同時に少し怖い気もする。本当に好きなものほど次に何が来るかが怖い。変わってほしくない気持ちと変わってほしい気持ちが両方ある。ファンならきっと分かってもらえると思う。あの感覚、リリースがいつになるのか、具体的なことは誰にもわからない。でもそれでも待つことをやめられない。それ自体が彼の音楽が持っている力の証明なんじゃないかと最近思っている。
Waiting for music you care about is its own kind of experience, and I do not mean it that in a dramatic way. I mean genuinely change the texture or of ordinary time. You notice silence differently. You listen to what already out there with a different kind of attention. Almost like you are trying to get full on something before something new arrives. I will be in it that made off with Fujikaza for a while now, and what I want to explore isn't the news because honestly there is not a lot of concentrate news to report. What I want to sit with is what this particular kind of writing reveals about him as an artist, about what his music has become for the people who live it, and maybe about what we're actually looking for when we reach for music in the first place. After a world tour of this scale, he completed something shift for an artist. It has to you are taking what you made in a room or in a studio or in a small city on in Okayama, and power you are received carry in front people is countries where the language is not the same, the reference are not the same, the actual soil is eternally different, and some here is still landed. They change what you want, what you think music is capable for of. It changes to it changes what you think you are capable of. So the silence that follows something like this is not nothing, it's processing. It's recapable. I think where there's a version of Fujikaza that could have moved very quickly after that tour struck while at the attention was high, release something kept the movement going. That rational strategy. It works for a lot of artists, but it pattern he's follow since his debut suggests he is not making decision from the that kind of logic. He seemed to move on an internal timeline that does not map neatly into industry exception, and I find that genuinely fascinating or to observe. And especially now here the thinking I keep thinking about the gap between albums, the real gap, the one that involves deep creative work, not just calendar time, is where an artist either consolidated and or transform on, and you usually cannot tell from the outside which one is happening until the work arrives. The the weight itself is ambiguous. It could mean he circling the same themselves from a new angle, or it could mean everything is about to shift in a direction nobody was combining. Both of these possibilities are exciting, but they are exciting in completely different ways. I notice and that I have feeling about which one I am hoping for, which tell me something about my own relationship to his music. I do not want to the next record to sound like the last one, but I am also a little afraid of one I might when if does not that's the specific comfort type of being attracted to an artist keep moving you sign up of the jewelry and the you have are not that allowed and carry to career, and it changes a person whether they want it to or not. What the fans are doing right now, reading into Instagram posts and praising caption of for circles, I understanding the completely. It's not just impractice. It's a kind of devotion that expresses itself through attention. When you care about something times a week, you pay close attention to the edge, to the periphery, because sometimes that where you catch the first single. What I was complaining, but I also thinking something to be said for sitting with the nothing, knowing for letting the anticipation be its own to not problem to solve. Music that matter does not arrive on demand, it arrives when it already, and the fact that so many people are watching clearly, patiently watching for any sign that itself is a testament, testament what he's already made. The next thinking will come when I does not think going to ask something of this listener. His music always does. It's never just entertainment. It wants you to be somewhere specific when you hear it. It will be ready, and somehow I thinking the waiting is part of that.